Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to assemble the bird. So once you have all the yarn put on the template, then you're just going to cut it off at the top, and you're going to lay it out into 3 rows. So this is going to be the back of the bird. This one, you can choose either one, either of the 3.5 pieces for the belly. So I'm going to keep the belly white, and this will be the wings. So you're going to tie the wings with another piece of yarn just right in the center. So you're going to just pull a tight knot there. And then for assembly, you're going to take the dark yarn and leave it here. You'll take the white or the lighter colored yarn, and then you're going to put it on top of it. So for the dark yarn, you're going to flip it over then. And you're going to take a piece of the dark yarn and you're going to tie it at the base here. And then for the lighter yarn, you're going to put it underneath so that it's hanging on the side, and you're going to gather it up together, and then you're going to take your white yarn and you're going to tie that at the base. So the bird is going to look like this. So this is the back, and then this will be the face and the belly. So now you're going to take the pink or the other light colored yarn that you have, and you're going to put it underneath, right in the center there. And then you're going to take some of the computer paper that you have, and you're going to crumple it up. And this is going to be the bird's body, so you're going to put that in the center and drape all the yarn over it. So then you're going to straighten out all the yarn. And once you're happy with the way the body looks, then you're going to take another piece of yarn, the dark colored yarn, and you're going to tie everything at the base over here. And you can put 2 knots in it just so that everything stays together. And then now you can take the scissors and you can cut the back of it so that everything is even. And you can always go back and fix that, and then now you have time. You can take the leftover computer paper and you can make some eyes and a beak for it. If you have beads, you can use beads for the eyes or felt for the beak, but if you just have the paper, it still works out that way, where it looks like a nice bird. So if you do the craft and you'd like to post what yours looks like, I would love to see it. I hope you enjoyed this one and have a good day.